Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Git on the Mac. Now, I'm running a modern Mac operating system. In my case, I'm running Mac OS X Yosemite, which is 10.10. Starting in 10.10, I can install Git directly from the command line. So in my case, I do not have Xcode installed, so if I show you, I don't have Xcode in my applications. Now I'm going to fire up my terminal program. I'm using iTerm2. First of all, let's make sure that Git's not installed. Which Git? So we type Git version, and we see that Git is actually not installed. This is a placeholder to launch the Git installer. So the Git command requires the command line developer tools. So there are two options here. We can either get Xcode from the App Store, or we can click the install button, which will just download and install the command line tools. So unless you need Xcode, I would just install the command line developer tools. So I'm going to click on install, and I need to accept the license agreement. And now the installer is going to download and install Git for me. Once the installer has finished downloading, it will begin the installation phase. Great, it looks like the software has been installed. So I'm going to click on Done. Anytime you install some software, I like to reinitialize my terminal program. So I'm going to close it and then reinvoke my terminal program. So now if I type Git version, Git returns with the version that's currently installed. And in my case, I have in parentheses Apple Git-50, which is the version of Git that Apple provides. All right, so now we're good for now. So let's exit out of the terminal.